The bedroom is supposed to be where you can feel comfortable and relax. Unfortunately, it's difficult, especially if clutter has conquered the space. All you can see is a messy closet, dresser, and nightstand. Apparently, comfort does not voluntarily come to you. You have to earn it by eliminating clutter and organizing your sleeping space well. Before grabbing your vacuum cleaner and mop, check these 10 bedroom storage cleaning ideas that you can do this weekend. As usual, Simp Home presents you with the list. Number 10. How to deep clean an old dresser. Visiting a flea market is not that bad. You can find the furniture you really need at an affordable price, just like this old dresser. This dresser is old, but it is not obsolete. It's even in good shape. Still, you have to clean it thoroughly before using it as additional storage in your bedroom. To clean an old dresser, you need to take the drawers out to see whether they need fixing. Then, use Dixie Belle White Lightning Cleaner mixed up in a spray bottle to clean the inside of the drawers. Make sure you put on your gloves when applying the cleaner. Once you've cleaned them thoroughly, you need to dry them out. While waiting for the drawers to be completely dry, you can clean the body of the dresser using the same cleaner. After that, vacuum it if necessary. Consider respraying the entire surface after vacuuming. Wipe it down with old paper towels several times until they're clean. Next, use a Scotch-Brite pad with the cleaner to scrub the top of the dresser. This way you can remove any dirt and grime. After that, you can use 120 grit sandpaper for sanding it down if you plan to stain or paint it. Now, your dresser is ready. Before replacing the drawers, consider applying Big Mama's butter to the inside of each drawer, especially if they're dried out. Number 9. Take everything out. As a good rule of thumb, you can clean your closet thoroughly if you take everything out of it. You may create such a mess at first, but in the end, you'll be grateful for it. Removing all your clothes from the closet allows you to wipe down and vacuum the shelves and racks thoroughly because they're empty. You can also fix the light fixtures if necessary. Number 8. Clean or toss it. If you take everything out of your closet, you'll have the chance to find your favorite t-shirt that stayed unseen in the back row. You'll also have the opportunity to sort out your items and see whether you still need them or not. For this reason, you'll need to prepare 3 baskets for the to keep, to donate, and to toss piles. Some of your items may be in suitable shape, yet you don't wear them anymore just because they have pesky stains or missing buttons. If that's the case, you can add another box for items that need mending or cleaning. These clothes are still good, but you need to have a trip to a dry cleaner or professional to get them cleaned and fixed. You cannot just hang them unworn in your closet, right? They will only be a safe haven for a moth. If you think your clothes are severely damaged, you had better put them in the to-toss box because keeping them in your closet is no use. Number 7. Pack away less used items. When decluttering your closet, you'll probably find some treasures you haven't worn in months. Instead of putting them back on the shelves in your closet, you can find them a new home. Less used and seasonal items are the culprit that take up a lot of space in your closet. Your pea coats and parkas will not provide comfort during the summer heat, so why do you have to keep them in your closet? They'll only crowd out your summer outfits. Since you will wear those items in the cooler seasons later, you can put them in 1 or 2 boxes and place them on top of your closet or under your bed. This way, you can still access them effortlessly while freeing up space for the items you use daily. Number 6. Eliminate your cluttered surface. Your nightstands are highly accessible. You can set down your vase. The table lamp includes your car keys, glasses, books, and accessories. This benefit now has turned into an inevitable drawback. The easy access to the nightstand's top allows you to put anything on them, making them look messy. You need to eliminate clutter by putting these miscellaneous items back in their homes for a few minutes. Afterward, you can give the top of your nightstands a good wipe. Then do the same to the other surfaces in your bedroom that are likely to accumulate small daily objects over time, such as dressers, vanities, or desks. Due to the convenience, you're likely to repeatedly drop small items on top of your nightstands. Thus, you need to consider investing in a tray to corral them. Number 5. Organize things by color and type. Once you've thoroughly cleaned your closets, dressers, and nightstands, it's time to put everything back where they belong. But wait, let's try something new, shall we? Instead of carelessly putting them back on shelves, you can try arranging your shoes, accessories, and clothing by color and type. This way you can easily find what you're looking for. Still, you need to ensure that you keep your frequently used items in the most accessible spot. Number 4. Use boxes to house small items. Putting smaller items such as socks, bras, stockings, and glasses back in the drawers is a bit challenging. They're always mixed up, although you folded them tidily. For this reason, you need to invest in a box with partitions or try to make drawer dividers. This way, those items will stay in their places. Number 3. A cute way to store jewelry. Accessories are cute and they can take your outfit up a notch. Unfortunately, they're tiny and thus they tend to create clutter in your drawer. You can use a drawer divider to overcome it, or you can try this cute idea to organize your accessories. Do you have old teacups and saucers in your kitchen? Don't throw them away, since you can use them to organize your jewelry. You only need to place them inside your drawers. Then put your earrings, bracelets, and brooches in them. To keep the cups and saucers in place, you can try gluing them down to your drawers. Number 2. How to make your easy-to-clean closet system. Now, everything has gone back to their homes. Is it the end of your duty? Of course not. After cleaning and decluttering the storage in your bedroom, it's essential to make sure that it is easy to clean. First, consider placing purses, sweaters, and heavy pants in boxes. This way, they won't collect dust, meaning you don't have to wash them frequently. It'll be better if you use clear plastic containers so that you can see and find them easily. Ensure you free up the floor space of your closet so that you can vacuum it easily. Lastly, number 1. Add fragrance while holding moths at bay. Moths are the pesky enemy of your clothes in the closet. The good news is you can hold them at bay with this DIY moth repellent. Begin with sewing 2 5-inch fabric squares together. Leave 1 1/2-inch opening on one side. You also need to leave a 1/2-inch seam allowance. Then, fill it with moth-repelling lavender buds. Next, enclose it by sewing the last side. Finally, place it in your closet.